Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to daily vlog. I'm your boy here on remote. It's a nice morning that God has given to all human beings and all breathing things, all things that are arrive, all things that are is living, have given this chance of breathing. So, guys, today I'm in our farm and today I'm in our farm, and as I see our maize has started germinating, has uh, has started carrying the maize, so has become too big because uh, I was not at home, I was not around, I was traveling to somewhere, but meanwhile I've come and decided to to walk around our farm so that I can see what has been going on. So as I see, our maize has become has become too big, has grown and started germinating. And even last time I was here, I was showing you there were they were planting the plantation that was here is the bean seeds and maize seeds. So they have uh, they have removed the beans because has already germinated and become dry. So they have removed from the farm, and they want to be they they put them outside to become dry so that next round they can be able to plant and started can be able to germinate. So has remained maize, as you can see, if you can see clear, and you can see by making observation, you can see this maize has been planted inside banana slant, but they have uh, they have trying to remove some banana tree to make space, to make space that can enable this maize to grow, because they can't be they cannot grow while there is a lot of shade. But for now, I'm seeing there is enough space that can provide sun to reach in to reach on these plants. So I'm expecting like 3 months, 3 months from now, these maize will be started drying, will be will be starting drying, because I've already started carrying they have started carrying their maize. They have started carrying. So actually, I appreciate for my parents' work. This is my parents' work, both mother and father, mom and father. So they have struggled a lot. They have did their best to enable these plants to be where there is. So I hope one day I'll be planting. I hope next season I'll be planting my maize, because one bag of maize equivalent to 5,000 Kenyan shillings. This is due to when there is a inadequate food, the price of maize will become high. But when there is enough food to society or to market, and when there is enough food to the society, the the price of the price of food become down. So for example, one kg of flour equivalent to 80 bob, 80 shillings, 80 shillings, 80 Kenyan shillings. 1 kg of flour of maize equivalent to 80 bob, 80 shillings, 80 Kenyan shillings. I don't know in USA how much can cost, but we have my parents have a very nice project. Like you can see, this is a banana. This is a banana. This is a banana. One can decide to cut it and put. One can decide to cut a banana and leave it like 1 week. It can started to change color. I don't know which pronunciation I can use. I don't know, but that is it. And I remember last time when I came here, these grasses were cutted down. It was cutted down and was given to our animal. But as you can see, it has started growing. It has started growing. So you know, even these bananas has to be cleaned, because you can see this has been cutted from here. This is a banana's leaves has become dried. So if it become dry, you can cut it to enable your plants make better. You see. So this don't remember I'm coming from East Africa, Kenya. So there is so many projects that came from East African Kenya. You know, Africans has a mentality of growing seeds. They have a mentality of growing seeds, guys. You can see, like, I have to cut this down. You break it like this, and you enable these fruits to become large. When you leave these, when you don't remove the fruit become tiny, but when you can observe, even for that one, you can see has removed, because when it has started growing, become older, you have to remove that. For me, I can I can call a head, but I don't know which word I can use. So guys, today I'm very proud. Today I'm really very proud because because I feel happy. Like when I came to this farm, I see there is difference between the day I came and today, because the day I came these seeds were very small, but for now they have become large. They have become taller. Even some of them are taller than me. You can see. You can see some of them has become taller than me. I'm I'm glad to see this. Yeah. Even we do not only have this land of maize. Today I have decided to show to show my peoples. Today I have decided to show my people uh, how 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 my family grew their seeds, or how Africans grew their plants, how they plant, how they harvest. For this side, you can see the grasses is too tall. You can see the grasses has become tall. When the grasses become tall, it cannot allow a plant to become fertile. It cannot it cannot make the plants to grow. Like this one, you can see they have started germinated, yet is too small. Yeah, have started germinating, yet is too small because of these weeds. They were not they were not removed. They were not they were not well cultivated, because that's why you've seen they have become tall than they have become tall than these seeds, than these plants. So that is it. You can see, like I'm passing, there's a lot of blackjacks, and you can see there is some yams have germinated here. There is some yams has become a bush. You know, the place like this is like this, you cannot. It's not easy to. It's not hard to find a snake inside here. Yeah, the place like that is easy to find a snake living there, because the snakes like snakes or snakes normally like bushes. Like I can say, mostly in Africa, mostly you can find snakes living in big bushes. Yeah, in bushes you find snakes, and here we have something known as a carabat, and it has water. These water are transported from one place to another, and I can say so many people normally use this water. So many people normally use this water for so many things, for so many activities like cooking, bathing, drinking, feeding their animals by water. So many things are used, and you can see our road has become somehow not good manner, because the tipper has passed here, and you can see the road is looking muddious, somehow muddious. So that is it. like like I was saying, you can find a snake live like for this bush, yeah, but not big snakes. It's small that you can kill. You know, normally Africans does not like seeing snakes. Like, for example, when I'm passing and the snake cross the road, I cannot allow it to I, I cannot allow it to go, because when you can leave that snake, one day someone can pass to that bush mistakenly, a snake bites him or her and damage him. You know, the snake has poison, bad poison. Some snakes are are poisonous. When it bites you, it damage you, it harm you, it harms you. You become dead, or you become paralyzed, or it it gives diseases. You know, when a snake bites someone and delay to get treatment. When someone has bitten with snake and the trade, he don't manage to get a medicine at a good time, he can either become dead, or become with viruses, diseases. So you know, I normally see movies like for Chinese. Chinese normally eat snakes. Yeah, Chinese eat snake normally, and there is some people who live with the snake, keep snakes. But in Africa, when someone are found staying with the snake, living with the snake, is some people can take him like is a witch, is a witchcraft, you know. So in Africa is not allowed to stay with snake, to keep such dangerous animals in at home. So I'm I'm glad you can see there is some rocks. Huh? Some rocks are passing on the road. These are a rock. Yeah, these are a road. This road was made by an MP, but that MP was become dead before I was born. You know, I was born in 2005. Yeah, I was born in 2005. But someone can see my face looking somehow smaller. Yeah, and they can take me like someone that was born in 2008 there. But meanwhile, I have said the truth. Me, I normally like telling people the truth. I'm not liking lying to people. Yeah, that is an opportunity that I was given by God, and I'm glad for that. So I'm not liking lying to people, like telling people something that is not existing. But I'm normally liking telling people the truth. For example, I'm not a reactor. Of course, I'm not a reactor. I haven't reacted to anyone. As if you can see, you can pass to all my videos, you can see I haven't lied to people. Yeah, I have never lied to people, but I have never lied to people, and I have never react to someone video like it, like the way, like me, I like to watch reactors. They 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 wait someone to make the her video and started reacting to that video. So let me leave that. My main aim for this video was to showing you how Africans grow their plants. For example, this is the land for land for always Eric father. They have planted sukuma wiki here, and has started germinating, has started growing. So they have already they have they have they have come out with an idea of planting the sukuma wiki, because the vegetable in Africa has become inadequate. And behind of me, you can see there is a maize has become in a good manner. You can see the color is a, is green. It's green, somehow dark, somehow green. Yeah, you can see for that land, the owner of that land, when he will he will he will he will harvesting a lot of bags. And here you can see there is a grass of of animals. This grass, we normally kept this grass for animal feeding. And there you can see there is water falling. As you can remember, I was telling you that water, people are using that water for many purposes. For example, they can use that water for feeding their animals. They can use that water for cleaning their clothes. They can use that water for bathing and many other things. Yeah, this is not our land, but we are related to the owner of this land. Yeah, we are, in short, I can say we are one family. We are coming from one family. We are related to the owner of this land. From here to this is a boundary. I can say this is a boundary. This is for from here to this side is for one person, and from there to the other side is for the other person. They were brothers. The owner of this land were brothers, so all of them were my brothers-in-law. So I can say we are related to them. They are related to, we are one family. But I'm alone. For now, I'm alone. I'm making this video from Nyabohansi village, East Africa, Kenya, Nyabohansi village. I'm coming live from Nyabohansi village. So I was decided today to show plants. Yeah, to demonstrate plants. You know, like I can say, there is some community that does not know all plants. For example, you can see there is the other side there. There is a sugar cane. Yeah, has been planted. Sugarcane has been planted, and this side you can see there is a maize. In short, I can say Africans normally like planting maize. The main activity in Africa here is a maize plantation. As you can see, so many videos that are trending now are talking about maize and bananas. So the activity that are main in our society right now is maize plantation and banana. We also planting cassava, sweet potatoes, so many things we are planting here in Africa. So this side, we are separated in our land. We are separated by a road. The boundary is at road. Yeah, for that side is not our land. It's my uncle's land, but he decided to give. When he came, died. The her boys took his land, and this is our land. But my father is still alive. He's still alive. So I was hearing that he was saying this land will give to my elder brother. He will give to my elder brother, and the other side where you can see there is a house, and you can see there is a brick house is for our firstborn. He has planted so many. He haven't planted anything. That side he haven't planted anything. He decided to make bricks. His activity is to make bricks, and that's her dream. When he was young, he was admiring making bricks. He was showing someone making bricks. He say, "Oh, one day I wish one day I could be the one who make bricks." And her dream has become true, has become successful. But my dream is to become a big content creator. I'm not admiring I'm not admiring someone that makes bricks. I'm not saying that is a bad job. No, it's a nice job for some people. But me, I don't admire it anymore. Yeah, I don't admire it anymore. I only admire to become a big content creator. I'm saying like this. Oh, could I one day become a big content creator? So, and I'm admiring to be famous in the world. In the world, I'm admiring to be known in the world. You know, when someone makes a content that makes sense, he became a familiar in society. I admire to become a familiar in society one day. I don't know. I'm praying day in, day night to become one day familiar in the world, and I believe my dream will come true one day. Uh, Guys, I really appreciate for your support that you've given to me, and I've really appreciate for your likes, subscribing, sharing, and commenting to my videos. You've really make me feel happy. You've really make me to feel proud. But in subscribers, I'm still small. I'm still having small subscribers because for now I have only 300 subscribers and 40 watch hours. I'm still far, but I I urge you guys to support me, to watch my videos, to share my video to your friends, to make me become one day a millionaire. I I will really appreciate it, guys. I don't have much to say. We will meet to next vlog. For today vlog, I have seen I'm seeing for day vlog has become the end, and I don't have much to say instead of wishing you a nice day, a nice Monday. In short, I'm wishing all people that are watching me, and those who does not watch me, for those that are subscribing, and for those does not subscribe, I'm wishing you all the best in your life, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.